Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Cornerstone. We're a whole home service provider offering AC, plumbing, and electrical services. And in today's video, we're going to discuss electrostatic filters. When it comes to maintaining a healthy indoor environment, air filtration plays a crucial role. One type of filter that has gained popularity in the recent years is electrostatic filter. So let's dive into the world of electrostatic filters and unveil their magic. An electrostatic filter is a unique type of filter that's designed to capture and remove the airborne particles in the air that we breathe. Unlike conventional filters that primarily rely on mechanical barriers, electrostatic filters employ an entirely different principle, the power of static electricity. So, how does it work? One electrostatic filter consists of multiple layers of synthetic fibers that are electrically charged. These fibers create a static charge that acts as a powerful magnet for the airborne particles. As the air passes through the filter, the charged fibers attract and capture a wide range of pollutants such as dirt, dust, pet dander, pollen, and even some bacteria and viruses. The magic lies in electrostatic charge. The filter's fibers are designed to have a positive charge, while the particles in the air carry a negative charge. Opposite charges attract. So as the air flows through the filter, the charged fibers draw in and trap the airborne particles like a magnet. One of the significant advantages of electrostatic filter is their ability to capture small particles that often escape the conventional style filters. This includes fine dust, smoke particles, and even some volatile organic compounds, also known as VOCs. By effectively removing these small particles in the air, electrostatic filter contributes to a better indoor air quality and reduce the potential risk associated with airborne pollutants. Now that we understand how electrostatic filters work, let's discuss the benefits they provide for residential homes. By incorporating an electrostatic filter into your AC system, you can experience several advantages. Firstly, electrostatic filters improve indoor air quality by removing a wide range of pollutants that can trigger allergies and respiratory issues. This is especially beneficial for individuals who suffer from allergies, asthma, or even respiratory conditions. In conclusion, electrostatic filters provide an innovative and efficient solution to improve the air quality in your guys' home. By utilizing the power of static electricity, these filters can attract and capture a wide range of airborne particles, offering benefits such as enhanced indoor air quality, long-term cost savings, and even a cleaner living environment. Okay, guys, that's it for the electrostatic filters. If you guys are interested in having one installed in your home, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 813-949-4445 or visit our website at cornerstonepros.com to book your appointment today. Thanks, and stay cool.